How to solve absolute value equations. Example D. So we have the absolute value of 2x minus 3 equals x minus 5. This one's a bit different from the other examples, being that we have the variable on two sides of the equation, but we're going to treat it exactly the same. We start off by isolating the absolute value expression. If there were more than one absolute value expression, we would isolate one of them. Since the absolute value of negative 2x minus 3 is already all by itself, we'll go ahead and pick up from there. That is the absolute value expression equals some other expression. So in this case, we're going to take that absolute value expression, negative 2x minus 3, and set that equal to the opposite of, or the negative of, what we have, or what was given, x minus 5. We're also going to set it equal to x minus 5. So we're really doing the same thing that we did in the other examples, only instead of setting it equal to a negative number and a positive number, we have a negative expression and its positive expression, or the expression and its opposite. So let's go ahead and solve these equations. We can distribute the negative sign, and now we have negative 2x minus 3 equals negative x plus 5. We can add x to both sides. That gets us negative x minus 3 equals positive 5. Adding 3 now, negative x equals positive 8, and that would mean that x equals negative 8. If the opposite of x is 8, then x is negative 8. Or we can divide both sides by negative 1, and that would simplify to x equals negative 8. Now with the second equation, we can subtract x from both sides. That gets us negative 3x minus 3 equals negative 5. Now add 3. We now have negative 3x equals a negative 2. And finally, dividing by that negative 3, we have our second solution, x equals positive 2/3. So then we have x equals negative 8 or x equals positive 2/3. That is all.